In this video, I'm going to be doing an overview of this Wheelhorse 655. It's pretty much all original except for the motor has been swapped out at some point for a bigger one, but it should still be pretty similar to the factory one that was on it. So to lift the hood on this, there's this little lever here that you push forward to unlock, and then you just gently set that down. So here is the 8 horsepower engine that's on mine, a K181S. Pretty sure these are the original front wheels on here. Looks like this front one is 16 by 5.5 by 6 by 8. And then the rear size is 23 by 8.5 -15. And there's this little lever here to lock and unlock this back seat. And then you have access to all this in here. I think this is mostly just for storage, but obviously also to get to these bolts in case you need to remove the rear end. Here's your choke and your throttle, your shifter and its positions: reverse, first, second, and third, back into neutral. It's got an amp meter here, key obviously. Here's the clutch. It likes to flop down all the way. But obviously you just push it in and then switch gears and then let back out and it'll start moving. It's also got a It's got this lever here. I believe it's to lock the brake, but it needs to be adjusted so it will actually catch there, because I don't think it is up far enough right now. Here's your lever to raise and lower your mower deck if you have one attached. Obviously, you gotta push that button down and then you can lower it. And then this adjusts how far down you can lower the mower deck. Here's your attachment control right here. It's got this little lever here attached to this foot pedal to engage What I've got on here, the mower deck right now, you would push that smaller little lever right there, and it releases it, and it'll pop out. So you can see here, it engages this belt, which will turn your mower blade. And then to stop it, you just push this back out and it'll automatically grab. There is a gas shutoff on this tank right here. Here is the starter generator. And your dipstick is right here to check the oil. And I believe that's pretty much it for this mower. So hopefully this helps if you're restoring one or you're just interested in these little garden tractors. Thanks for watching, and God bless.